Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing well. Hope you're having a great day. And today we're going to do my personal insert flip through for 2017, as you can tell from the title. And if you guys enjoy the video, hit that thumbs up button for me, subscribe if you're not already. If you're new, welcome. I'm Amanda and I like to plan and use stickers and washi tape and stationery, and sometimes I do some crafting videos, but unfortunately, I haven't had a whole lot of time to do those lately, so I'm trying to get my YouTube going back again, get going strong. I struggle through the end of the year every year. I don't know why. But anyway, so today I have my personal insert flip through. So in this, Recollections Gold is the last 6 months of the year, but in here, as storage, is the first. This is one of the Brit & Co. Binders from Target. I got it on clearance. It's got foil on it. Beautiful, beautiful. And as you can see, I'm literally just using it for storage because it was literally like $1.70, and I'm not going to cry about it, right? These are So Much Crafting, month on 2 pages, week on 2 pages, and they are not continuously printed, so I could put the months in between. The monthly spreads in between the weekly spreads, because that is the one thing that drives me crazy about other planners, is when they aren't set up like that, I can't use them. If all the months are at the front and then the weeks are in the back, I can't do it. So we're going to start out here, and we're starting in January. So here we go. This is AmandaKrafts. It was really, really cute. This was all Happy Planner. Was it all Happy Planner? Yeah, it was all Happy Planner stickers. My birthday week with my favorite colors. This was my mom's birthday and my dad's birthday. And then I always just use random leftover stickers in the personal. So there's some of everything in this spread. There's some A and C, there's some Imagine 320 designs, some Plan with Pizzazz. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff in here, so that's why I can't really name it. If it's a main kit, then I'll tell you where I got most of the stickers from. This one is a hodgepodge. This was Plan with Pizzazz for sure. I remember getting the kit with the deer. And this washi flag was from Target. This little washi was from Target, the red one. Came in a sticker book, and on to the February. I have puffy stickers from Target, and the main sticker kit was from AmandaKrafts. Love how this one came out. Love her personal kits. Ooh, you know what? This is personal, not Erin Condren. We should probably get a little whoa, not that close. Not that close. Are we close enough to see now? Ah. Is that better? I hope it's better. We'll see in a second. Yeah, that's good. So this is from Aylin's Creations, and I used some of the puffy stickers up there too. This is my one and only Caress Press. This is actually on my channel. I love how this came out. It's so pretty. I love the owls. I'm a sucker for birds. Alrighty, and then we have the pears for Valentine's Day week, and this says 8 years together, and this was from Plan with Pizzazz. This is Aylin's Creations. And then we're going to move on to March. Guess what? Temp Loves Crafts. Happy Planner. And what was this? Oh, Anna sent this to me. It's from a shop that's no longer open. This was from Watercolor Blooms. It was a 1 deco sheet, and I used it to do the whole spread with just leftovers. Love how this one came out. So pretty. These are leftovers from various places. I see some watercolor blooms, some paper candy art, all kinds. There's all kinds in here. And these are leftovers from Amber's Design Studio, that Easter kit that you saw in my, if you watched my other flip through, you'll see it there. This weekend banner is from a Christmas kit. Not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before, from Sahili Designs. We went to Northwest Trek. I always love doing the rewinds. This is from AmandaKrafts. I did some of the rub-ons from Target. Oop, see? And then I noted, hey, Easter weekend is this weekend. And then I used a Peekaboo Planning freebie to do this spread. And then this was an actual personal kit spread from AmandaKrafts. This was for Easter. This was an actual personal spread from Watercolor Blooms. It was the hummingbird spread. So I did this in my main planner and my personal planner. This is a hodgepodge of I don't know what. I don't know why, for some reason, when I did this, I was like, oh yeah, these will look good together. It does not look good together. Not my favorite. Alrighty. And May, guess what? AmandaKrafts. Her personal kits, when they're on sale, are like $1.80 or something ridiculously cheap. This is from Playing with Pizzazz. This is like the washi sheet from that like coupley kit in my, yeah, that I did like back a couple of spreads. But I did this one with like food stickers. So I was like, it looks like I love food in this one instead of like loving someone. It's like, love food. This is all, well, it's almost all Happy Planner stickers. This is from Sahili's Design. That's from Once More with Love. But everything else, oh, nope. And the Habit Tracker is from Sugary Gal Shop, I think is how she says it. This was a deco sheet of stickers, these flowers, that inspired this spread. I really like how this one came out. I just liked how soft it is, and it's got that little bit of glitter. You can see it right there. Okay, and then these are leftovers from that A and C sticker kit, which was Luminosity Prints, which, as far as I know, is closed. And then here's June, and I did this as a rewind on my channel. Just kind of highlighting the big bright stuff, and I used a gold gel pen to write everything in. It was beautiful. I enjoyed it, but I don't know, it stopped. It happened once. Alrighty. And then here is my Sweet Treats spread with, I think these were from, yeah, these were from Miss Beth. So this was from XOXO Mama Plans, the little leftovers of donuts and all this stuff. And this was a freebie kit that I got from Temp Loves Crafts because I placed an order during one of her sales and she was giving away a personal kit. And then here are leftovers from Peekaboo Planning. Leftovers from Plan with Pizzazz. Is that right? Yes. Plan with Pizzazz and Brianna Nicole Designs. That's much more right, which is not a thing. And then these are leftovers from Brianna Nicole Designs, and I made my own weekend banner because I didn't have one. That is my one thing, is I wish that people would include 2 weekend banners or give you the option to buy like an extra weekend banner. Okay, so there's the first 6 months, and then it says you are capable of amazing things. So let's go ahead and put this aside and jump into the next 6 months, which are in my actual Recollections personal planner, which I have not set up or done anything with. I just have stuff over here waiting. Alright, so then we have July, Temp Loves Crafts. This was a deco sheet from Temp Loves Crafts that I did the entire, like, it inspired the entire spread. It's very vintage 4th of July. These are XOXO leftovers. Brianna Nicole leftovers. Scribble Prints Co. Yep, these are Scribble Prints Co. that I got from Chloe. And then here's August. You're like, Amanda, where'd the kits go? I don't know. I just threw down some washi and called it good. I was done with it at that point, I think. And, you know, what's funny is I started struggling. You can see a difference. You can see a change because that's when I started struggling in my main planner too. So here are some Libby & Co. Brianna Nicole designs. It's that mermaid stuff again. These full boxes were from Paper Candy Art. And either Miss Beth or Anna sent them. I think Anna sent them to me, but leftovers from Frank Hartsew. I think she's now like Ninja Unicorn or something like that. Got these from Chloe. These are Creating & Co. from Chloe. These are leftovers from our Glamping collab kit from Peekaboo Planning. September. Got some Wish washi. That just sounds funny. This is washi that I bought on Wish. And then some Sticko pumpkins and some leftover Build-Do's and stuff from XOXO. I don't know why I just kind of like fell off the thing there. This is leftovers from the Book Nerd kit from Erica G Designs. Leftovers from Brianna Nicole Designs. Leftovers from Planting Roses that Chloe sent me. Leftovers from... what shop was this? Who was this? Who was this? Who was this? Oh, JB Planning. It took me a minute. JB Planning that Chloe sent me. Here's Halloween with just washi and stickers from Michaels and Sticko. I did at least keep up with this stuff. Here's Brooke's birthday week in this planner with a different tall box from Scribble Prints Co. and some of the other stickers that you saw in the main planner. If you missed that one, I will put it on in the sky. Alrighty, so we've got some Creating & Co. So this is mostly Creating & Co. with a few little other things left in there. These were leftovers from the Expecto Patronum kit that I bought. These are leftovers from Amber's Design Studio and Planting Roses. We got some page plans, half boxes with XOXO adds a second weekend banner for you. So these are page plans, Templos Crafts, and various things in the pastels. Here is my November monthly. I had to use that pumpkin. Leftovers for the Halloween kit from Cricut Paper Co. The Fall Fashion kit from Brianna Nicole Designs. Some Happy Planner. There's Happy Planner page plans and Megan Renee in this one. And a Happy Planner that I smeared because I couldn't wait for it to finish drying. Here's leftovers from the Fox kit from Brianna Nicole Designs. The headers were on a freebie from Peekaboo Planning. And the habit tracker was on a monthly kit from that Rose City Prints. Sorry, I didn't even know that was glaring at you guys. This was a winter leftover from Planting Roses. I thought this was really pretty and just like the black and white and gray. It was very monochrome to the point I colored her bow with a pen because it's normally red. And then, okay, sorry about that. I got interrupted. Anyway, this was from, oh, I just had it. Planting Roses. These are leftovers that Chloe sent me as well. Love how this like monochrome gray and black came out. It was very, very pretty. The glitter headers are from AmandaKrafts and they're matte. Here is my December monthly. So it's happy planner stickers, some decorative stickers, and some washi. And then this is leftovers again from Planning Roses that Chloe sent me. This was my sick week. So sad. Pretty. Love how it came out, right? I remember where those glitter headers. Oh, these are from AmandaKrafts too. And when you're out of habit trackers, make one. Alrighty, here are the leftovers from that Shepherd Supply Co. Traditional Christmas kit. This was a freebie that I got from the Tasseled Planner from buying on Black Friday. I got her little freebie and then her big freebie. So I used that to do this spread. And these were leftovers from the various Cricut Paper Co kits that I did, and just to make it fun because this week was Christmas week and I didn't do any real planning. I used some stickers from Michael's sticker books and see where it says planner fail. Yeah. So that's it, guys. There's New Year's Eve. There's the rest of 2017. And as you can see, I just have the blank pages that came with the planner. I never really set this up. Here are the die cuts from JB Planning that I used a few weeks ago in my Erin Condren that I want to put over here for Valentine's Day and like set this up for really light pinks and reds for that. And it's still winter here, so it's still cold, so I don't want to get all warm and fuzzy, but I feel like these would be really cute in the side pockets. And this clip was made by Gina at Watercolor Blooms as a gift for when I was PRing for her, and I really do appreciate it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe by clicking that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys again real soon. So you know what that means. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.